Let's go. Come on. Little cookie. What's that?
Sweet mug?
Yeah. Jasper, come on. Go.
Hey, beautiful.
Yeah, you sound beautiful. What's up? Come on. Try to leave him out. Let's run there.
That's all right. What's he now?
Let's go.
Do you have any more cassette tapes?
No, just what's there.
Gotcha. If you guys have never seen these before, these Time Life rock and roll CDs, they focus on decades from like the 40s, 50s, and 60s and 70s. They actually sell really well. Any other like stuff from the 80s? Any other toys or
Any what?
any like old toys or anything like that?
No.
Okay.
Not that I'm selling at the yard sale.
Okay,
I
no
do
problem.
have old Star Wars figures from the 70s that I'm selling, but not here.
Okay. How much you asking for them?
We have them on eBay.
Oh, you got them on eBay?
$107.
Gotcha.
Yeah. There's like, I think 30 or 40 of them.
Okay. I'll take these right here.
Yeah.
I think there's 10 total CDs.
Okay.
Come on, get back in here now.
I'm just going to do them all for 75. So we have 150.
So 750.
50. I'm slow, sorry.
That's okay.
150. So we have 36, 750, and this was 80. Just make it 80.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you guys doing? Oh, you got a lot of nutcrackers.
Yes, that's just the first. I think I have probably close to maybe 150 or so.
All the pieces here for this?
Yes, they're all there. That's the oldies but goodies. That's
Yeah.
what when I was a kid, I played with Tinker's Toys.
How much is it?
I'm asking 10.
Oh, there's some 10 on it? Okay. Definitely cool.
Yeah, that's a pretty. Make me an offer.
I'll think about it for right now.
Okay.
All right, good luck on your sale. Yep, you too. Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Questo si è armato di
But yeah, see, they do it with the. Yeah. So is that what you want? No, it's okay. Oh, okay. I thought they made it look like.
Well, that's
8.5 Italian shoes.
Yeah.
How much are they?
Bananas.
30.
30.
For like strawberries, maybe.
Oh, well, that's what I'm saying. Like, do you like strawberries, bananas, and cookies?
And cheese.
Let's see if we can.
So they are all. So we can do.
All right, good luck on your sale. What's the 5 piece?
They're from a 62 Cadillac, I think.
I'm sorry, from a what?
62 Cadillac, I think.
Cadillac.
Cadillac. How much are your boards?
$2 a piece.
All right, I'll take both of those too. Do you have any other Cadillac pieces?
No, this came out before when my dad wrestled.
Okay. All right. Oh, you have 14. And you said a 62 Cadillac?
Yeah, I think it was 62, as I remember. My sister give it to my wife. She's gonna end up with it anyway.
Same thing with my wife. She gives my
So it was-
you owe me 6.
Car survived, but
Thank you.
somehow I ended up with 2 of the hubcaps left.
Well, something survived.
Yeah.
Does the camera work okay?
Yeah, it looks fine.
Excuse me.
I got security lights now. I think I'm
Good morning. How much are your board games?
$2 each. You can offer one.
Do you have any other old toy stuff? Or old video games?
No video games.
Comic books, sports card stuff?
Video games. No video games out today or comic books. Sorry.
That's okay. I'll take those two.
One of these cool little things.
Oh yeah, that's I remember that from back in the day. Yeah.
Remember those? Okay.
I got those 2 board games.
Do you have $1, babe?
Oh, Beanie Babies.
Oh yeah. Oh, those are retro, I guess. Are you okay with quarters?
That's fine. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Man, what a disaster
yeah.
Beanie Babies were.
Oh my god, I don't even know what to do with them. I mean, nobody's gonna buy Beanie Babies.
No.
To donate it, I don't even know if a hospital will take them.
Yeah, maybe.
Children's hospital.
That'd probably be your best bet.
I was thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or if a kid comes by, take one. A bunch of kitchen stuff.
I love cast iron stuff.
So do we. Yeah. An unhealthy amount.
I think most of it is Lodge.
Yeah, most
Is
of
it?
it's pretty good stuff.
That's Wagner's.
Wagner's, yeah.
How much you asking for the pieces?
3.
3 pieces.
3 each.
What's that one, Lodge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, I'll
that's a
take
good
that. I like that one.
one. Some of them need to be cleaned up a bit.
Yeah. All right. So these bottom 3 are actually Lodge. I mean, that's too low. This is cool.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
I think it's for like cornbread or something. You make
Oh.
like, it makes like the indentation.
How much is that one?
$2.
If you take that one, we'll take it 4 out of 10.
Okay. Talk me into it. Morning.
How you doing?
Doing great. How are you guys?
Good, good.
What is this kayak from?
Anna, explain the kayak. American Girl doll stuff, right?
Yeah, it's Generation Doll stuff.
It's American Girl or Generation Girl? Generation.
Works for both.
Books for both.
Oh, you got a whole, I didn't even know you had that helmet and the life jacket. That's pretty cool. Hi, good morning.
I'll give you the $2.25 for it.
Rose, do you see anything you like?
Okay, I figured.
Morning.
Hey, good morning. They have one there.
Did you have a company that sold these, or?
Yeah, used to work for them.
Oh, you used to work for them. How much are they?
$1 for the whole box.
$1 for a whole box?
Yeah.
All right. How much are these?
$2 a piece.
$2 a piece?
And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them.
You got 4 of them?
4 of them. They're excellent.
Shit, I don't know if I'm gonna fit in my car.
Brand new and still in the box.
Yeah.
So, tell you what, the whole, everything there, $10. The whole
$10? All right. I mean, I don't see why.
You got 4 of those dispensers and that whole box right there.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
It's a deal.
I mean, I'm gonna take them. I don't see why. Oh, VHS! I love VHS.
Oh god. Really?
Yeah, I collect VHS.
I mean, I have like boxes of the Disney movies.
Oh yeah. I don't really like the Disney stuff so much. I like more or less looking for the old, like I like a lot of like the B-rated B movies for like horror stuff, because you can find them on DVD and stuff. Weekend at Bernie's is a cool one. I love that one.
Yeah, that was funny, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's a trip.
There's another box of VHS.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's all Disney stuff, right? No, they're VHS.
Oh, okay.
Trying to see how I'm gonna fit all that in my car. All right, I got this too. So this and
The dispenser.
yeah, the boxes.
Okay. Nice. Oh, you
What-
gave them cards.
What owe you? Total? How much
Make
is
an
it?
offer on this.
$1.
Cool.
All right. Thank you for coming
You're
by.
welcome. Oh, what are these magazines? Old golf stuff.
Yeah, magazines right there.
What's that order? Golf course. All right, let me go put this in the car. How much are the bobbleheads?
$5.
$5.
No, she never used that Santa. No, never.
Do you have any other blow molds?
Huh?
Do you have any other ones like these? No.
But she's never used it, she said.
How much is it?
It's $5.
$5.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They said, let me ask you, where was the rat? That's brand new.
Brand new. What are you asking for it?
About 15.
Pull it- I can scan it to you right now for Walmart or for Amazon.
Yeah.
Open it, it's brand new. That's-
No, I believe you.
It has a nice display on it and the numbers are big.
Yeah, I see that. I think I'll pass though. Thank you. How much you have in the cast iron? I said to my buddy, he's camping right now, so I'm waiting to hear back from him. How much you asking for the cast iron?
I don't know. $5?
$5. What do you guys do? 15 if I take this and the phone?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. Do you have 5 on you?
You have $5?
Oh,
We have no
you're here.
change.
You have no
My
change.
money in the bank, man. So that means it costs 20. I know it's hard with cash, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you take Venmo or anything else?
I have to know.
No, I do not.
Oh, you
She's
don't?
not selling that.
Okay.
Unless you want to buy one of her reeds.
Well, I guess I'll come back then. Get change. Well, just
There's a
Yeah.
99% chance it'll still be here.
just put it aside for me. I'll be right back. I'll hit up one of the neighbors and then see if
Okay.
I get some stuff.
All right,
Thank you. I'm back.
Oh, you're back?
You know.
You know, right after you left, someone come and I had a 5.
Oh, really? I should have wrote down the street name because I didn't write down the street name and I went back there and I was like, oh no, which road is it now? So I was drove up and down looking for you
That's
guys.
funny. Okay, great.
Thank you. All right, so we are back from yard sale today and we went to a community yard sale. I go to this community yard sale every year and I always do really well. I find all kind of different things, but let's jump into it. Let's show you what we found. All right, so one of the yard sales we went to is they had these laundry boards. I think we paid $5 for both of them. So I love laundry boards that actually have advertisements on them. They can actually bring a premium, so keep an eye out for those. These will probably get 15-20 bucks a piece. One of the yard sales we went to, they had a bunch of cast iron. I think we paid 10 bucks for this entire thing, but one thing to always look out for is made in USA. This is Lodge. This is Wagner. And this bottom one is Lodge too. Paid 10 bucks for those. We should do really well. I'm expecting, I don't know, I mean, minimum 50-60 bucks on those, probably a lot more. The same yard sale that we actually went and we purchased those laundry boards, they actually had these Cadillac hubcaps. There's 2 of them. He says from a 1962 Cadillac. So I paid 5 bucks for these. Hopefully we'll be able to flip these online for about 40-50 bucks a piece. The same yard sale that actually had the had all the cast iron, we actually picked this up. This is actually from 1988. This is Win Lose or Draw. It's brand new sealed. So I'm thinking we're gonna get 15-20 bucks for that. And this Ouija board we got is actually from 1972. I've sold these in the past. They bring really good money. We should probably get about between 20 and 30 bucks for that. So overall right there, great pickup so far. The day just kept going on and getting better and better. One of the first yard sales we actually went to, they actually had all these cassette tapes for 10 cents each. Kicks, we had Dirty Dancing, Pointer Sisters, Motley Crue, Guns N' Roses, Footloose, Aerosmith, Motley Crue again. So I cannot beat that. Probably about 50 bucks, 50 plus bucks there with the, they also had the whole stack of CDs over here. Now, one thing to look out for is the rock and roll air and Time Life music right there. See that? So keep an eye out for these. I have sold these in the past. They could bring 50-60 bucks if you get a whole lot of them. We did get a whole lot of them here, and some are brand new sealed. So we should probably get, we paid I think 9 bucks for the cassettes and all the CDs, and we should get probably about 100 bucks for all of it. So great return there. Probably one of the weirdest pickups we got today was these hand towel dispensers. I walked up the yard, so the guy had 4 of them there, and then he had all these soap dispensers as well, and sanitizer dispensers, and he had a whole box of them right here too. So I used to work in the nightclub and bar industry. I used to put myself through college doing that and bartending and working security, and I can't tell you how many times people would smash and break these. So they are very expensive. Those things probably sell, I think on eBay I probably get about 30-40 bucks for the paper towel dispensers, and then the soap dispensers probably 15-20 bucks, somewhere in that ballpark. We paid 15 bucks for all those, so cannot beat that. Not something I normally want to buy because they are a little bulky, but it's going to be 1 or 2 listings and just quantity. So love that. One of the places we went to, so said it was for American Girl Signature Series. I don't think it was, but for 2 bucks, it's worth the risk. It was canoe, life jacket, and helmet. So pay 2 bucks for that. I have to look that up line. We'll probably get 10-15 bucks at least for that. One of the yard sales we went to, found another cast iron piece. This is number 6. We should do okay in that, maybe 20-30 bucks. And found this brand new AT&T phone. These things go brand new between 30 and 40 bucks. We paid 15 bucks for both of those, so it should be a nice return. One of my favorite things to buy is blow molds. I pick these up whenever I can. Looks like he's probably missing his nose right there, but overall for 5 bucks, we should probably at least get 30-40 bucks for that. So I'm happy with that. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure you like and subscribe. I put another video up here for you guys to watch. If you like me going out yard sale, check it out. Until next time,